Hello viewers, welcome once again to our channel. This is Floor Space Royalty, and today we are happy to share a cozy 4-bedroom house located at Ashongman Estate. Ashongman Estate is a really great community of about 20-kilometer radius to the Kotoka International Airport. There are very good schools around, like the Notre Dame International School, which is just about 5 minutes drive from this property. Easy movement, can easily connect to the Kumasi Highway through Pokwase, Kwabenya Pokwase, to Achemota through the mall. And what we are looking at is the living area. It is selling fully furnished, and so the setup is still being done. This is the living area. And then we get into the bedroom downstairs. All the bedrooms have their full bathrooms. And one thing I like about this property is how the space has been used. This is the kitchen. It will come fully fitted. And then a little dining area has been provided. That's the guest washroom. Now let's go upstairs and check it out. The rails or balustrades will be provided, will be fitted later. It's in a very great neighborhood, very developed area, good road network, and it's going for 950,000 Ghana cedis. Selling fully furnished. It's just about 3 minutes drive from the Melcom at Ashongman Estate. And now let's get to my favorite part of this house. The primary bedroom. It's really spacious. Really spacious. This is the closet space. And then this is the bathroom. If you have any questions or inquiries, just call the numbers below and we'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to hearing from you.